Creating a strong presentation in the creative industry can take a lot of time. Whether it's a pitch for a client, a campaign concept, or a project proposal, you need solid research, a clear structure, and a story that makes sense. But what if you could turn a simple idea into a complete presentation in just a few minutes? That's exactly what we're doing today using Abacus AI Agent. Abacus AI Agent is designed to take a natural language prompt and turn it into structured, research-based output. Instead of just generating text, it helps you to organize ideas into a logical flow that already feels like a presentation. This is especially useful for creative professionals who need to pitch ideas, develop concepts, or present strategies to clients. In this example, we're focusing on using it to generate full presentation decks for filmmaking and creative industry use cases. The workflow is very straightforward. You start by giving Abacus AI Agent a clear prompt, for example, asking it to create a presentation for a commercial video concept, a brand storytelling campaign, or a production proposal. From there, it begins structuring the content into a format that already feels like a slide deck. Instead of random text, you got a clear breakdown into sections like concept overview, visual direction, target audience, production approach, and key deliverables. What's useful here is that it doesn't just summarize your idea, it expands it. For example, if you ask for a campaign presentation, it can include mood direction, narrative ideas, and even suggestions for how scenes or visuals could be structured. Another important point is consistency. The output follows a logical storytelling structure, which is exactly what clients expect in a presentation. This is usually one of the most time-consuming parts when building decks manually. A key advantage is that Abacus AI Agent can also work with data. If your presentation includes numbers, budgets, timelines, or performance expectations, it can structure that information clearly and even suggest how to visualize it in charts or simple diagrams. This is especially useful for things like campaign projections, content performance breakdowns, or production planning. Instead of manually figuring out how to present numbers, you already get a clear direction for how to turn them into visuals. You can also control the tone. If you want something more cinematic, more commercial, or more minimal, you can adjust that in your prompt and the structure adapts accordingly. It also works across different creative scenarios. We tested things like a brand video pitch, a YouTube content strategy deck, and a visual concept presentation for a product shoot. Each time, the structure adjusted to the use case while still keeping a clear and professional flow. What we like is that it focuses on the core challenge, turning ideas and data into structured presentations that actually feel high quality and ready to use. Using it is very intuitive. You enter your idea as a prompt, define what kind of presentation you need, and Abacus AI Agent generates the structure. From there, you can directly transfer the content into PowerPoint, Google Slides, or your preferred tool. There's no complicated setup or technical barrier, just a simple workflow that helps you move from idea to presentation much faster. This makes it easy to quickly create drafts or explore different creative directions. If you regularly create presentations for clients or projects, this can save a lot of time, especially when it comes to structuring ideas, building a narrative, and even organizing data. It doesn't replace your creative work, but it gives you a strong foundation that you can refine and turn into a polished final deck. If you want to explore how this works in more detail, you can find additional information in the description below.